Okay, so this is a typical thing here in Puerto Rico and other parts of Latin America and Central America probably. It's called Mayo Ketchup, which is usually mayonnaise and ketchup, but we're gonna make it special now. So the things you started with, obviously, some ketchup. There we go. Some mayonnaise. You can take a nice spoonful of mayonnaise in there. So this goes depending on your taste. Now, and then we put certainly mustard. Make sure you stir it because otherwise it gets a little runny. So it all has to do with about your flavoring. Now, those are the main three ingredients. I like to put a little bit of Sriracha. Oh, yes. For spiciness. And a little bit of Louisiana sauce. In our family, we like stuff hot. So, kind of all depends if you like it hot a little bit. But the last thing is this thing. This is homemade. This is Puerto Rican ajies, chilies from Puerto Rico. You have to watch another recipe, another video, see how to make these. But I'm gonna. I wish you could smell this. It's just the vinegar and the chilies and the garlic and the salt and the pepper. It has carrots in it. But the thing with this is we're just gonna use a little bit of the juice because that's gonna make it. Oh, I threw a chili in there. That's quite fine. So now we're gonna take this and mix this concoction. It kind of looks like a creamy, nice little mess there. Yes, there we go. You mix it a little bit. Oh, look at this. And then you take a little bit of a delicious. So this is our Mayo Ketchup recipe that you can do in any kind of dipping with ketchup, with tostones, with French fries, anything that you can dip in onion rings, and it's quite delicious. You can impress your friends. We'll see you in a bit.